This year we're going to try to make a Vecna. Day one is done. Didn't really get far. I'm just working on the framework of the body. Just wanted to show you guys what I got. Just a bunch of PVC. Got the neck going to the shoulders, to some 45s to make one arm, over to the other arm, going straight down the middle of this skeleton that I have here. I took the head off and I zip tie the shoulders to the PVC pipe just to fill in the body. What I'm going to do is the center pipe, the center PVC pipe, is going to be one leg. I added a little four-way adapter here and made another leg coming over. Zip tied the skeleton body to the PVC pipe, and I do have a jumpsuit, a Vecna jumpsuit. It's not even a Vecna jumpsuit, it's something else, but I'm going to make it look like it. Added the foot just to fill in the jumpsuit. I don't know how it's going to look, but we'll see. But this is all I really have right now. Just a bunch of PVC pipe, not glued, tape that does not leave residue, so I can just take it off when this is done and reuse it for something else. This is all I have right now. That's the front, that's the back. Got to figure out what I'm going to do to stuff this guy, because Vecna's in shape, man. He's in shape. I think I got a Hulk body I can put inside, but we'll see. Vecna build day 2 and 3. All right, this is where I'm at. Things that I changed. I did change the orientation of his arms. I did a 90-degree down from his shoulder going straight down, and then a 45 coming this way, and on the same side. My daughter did not like the way he was looking. He looked like he was trying to flex on you, but I think this is more realistic to when he is in the air charging. Some things that I did, all the white stuff that you see is just spray foam. But this black foam here is just pipe covering that I got from Home Depot. I did tape it down first, and in this particular one I used a safety pin, and then I did the spray foam. The spray foam is going to ultimately hold it down, but you got to put something temporarily until it dries. I did just recently put more spray foam because I just wanted to fill in the body with whatever I had. The forearms is the, I'll just call them pool noodles. That's what everybody knows them as. I did the same thing on the other side just to fill it in. The bottom is a fake leg. It's just kind of hanging in the bodysuit right now, and I'll have that in place once I get them mounted. The other side is just a fake foot in there with just some, like, more pool noodles, bones, just anything you can put inside this bodysuit to fill it out. I'll do a quick turnaround, try to make it look not too thin. He's got a little junk in the trunk, got some nice back muscles. The top of him is the Hulk bodysuit, and I think it turned out pretty good because, like I said in the first part of the video, Vecna's stout, man. So this is where I'm at. The next part is to finish painting him off to match the mask that I have, put him up on the PVC pipe, and then I'm going to try to get his charging tentacles going up and down his body to the trees to make him look cool. So, and then light him up. We'll see what the kids say this Halloween, but this is what I got so far. See ya. All right, finally got Vecna up in the air. This is the final product. Got the charging tentacles going from the back of him to a tree, the other going to a fake pole. All it really is a coat hanger, PVC pipe going up, zip tied. The pipe insulation going back over to the arch. I made a bunch of these hanging vines or whatever you want to call it. It's just out of spray foam. I built Vecna with a PVC pipe inside gutwork, and then I joined it right here. Just brought the bodysuit over to cover it up, painted the PVC pipe, the bottom one black. Inside of this there's a rebar, and then just zip tied it to the entry arch. I have another video that explains on what I do to keep that arch from falling, but all in all I think he turned out really good. I'll take some more video tonight, so you can see what he looks like at night. Get up and close. He's gonna look really good tonight. Alright, that's it for now. Alright, night time. We got Vecna up in the air, everything lit up red. Let's just sit here for a moment and enjoy the beauty of Vecna and the face that only a mother can love. I think the kids are going to really enjoy this year, this Halloween this year. Right now I have them lit up all in red. Earlier I had them half red, half blue. Can't really figure out what I like best, but I think the red lighting is very fitting. Get up a little close to them. The red light kind of takes away from some of the detail that you can see during the daylight, but hey, it's probably more true to what he looks like. So that is it. That is Vecna. I almost scrapped this project because I didn't like the way he was turning out. My wife and daughter told me to stick with it. And I guess they were right. Don't tell them that because they'll think they're always right, but there you go. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Get out there and build something for these kids on Halloween. Have a good one.